Hello, friend. You're wondering if you should buy the LYFT stock, right? Right. But you have some doubts about timing. Should you buy LYFT right now, or maybe you should wait? But then again, if you wait too much, maybe you'll miss a great opportunity, and so on and so on. Also, if you check the news, you see some scary stuff there about LYFT IPO. So, more confusion. I understand you, don't worry. Let me tell you one thing. Don't what? Don't buy, don't be afraid, don't hurry. Have patience and let the price come to you. What do I mean by that? Let me explain. First of all, it's a proven fact that all these big technology giants IPO are overvalued. Simply because it's in their best interest to pump the IPO price as much as possible. And trust me, LYFT is no different. If you are thinking it is different, you are just hoping for an exception to the rule. Don't get me wrong. That doesn't mean you shouldn't buy LYFT at all, ever. You definitely should, because it has the potential of being a very good investment, and I will buy it too, but only on my terms and according to my plan. I call this my pullback IPO trading plan. It's very simple and very efficient. It has two rules. Rule number 1. Look to buy a 50% pullback from all-time highs. Adjust the entry pullback level every time the price makes a new high. That's it. And rule number 2, if after 1 year you still didn't get filled, so basically we are talking about a stock price that didn't have a decline of 50% from its absolute high, just buy it at whatever price is after 1 year. So let's recap. Simply put, the plan is buy at a 50% discount, and if you can not do that, you buy it anyway 1 year later after the IPO. Wait, how? This is too easy? Yeah, it is too easy. But does it really work? Let's see some examples. Let's go to the chart. So this is LYFT right now, yeah? Let's look at history prices for Facebook. Everyone knows Facebook, right? And uses Facebook. So we have an IPO in 2012. Yeah, you see, what's the highest price? The highest price is 45. Can you guess when I bought Facebook? Right here on this bar at a 50% discount. Looks nice, doesn't it? Alright, let's try another. Alibaba. We all know the IPO of Alibaba. When did I bought Alibaba? Well, let's see. What's the highest price printed after IPO? 120. Obviously, I bought at 60. When? Here, on this bar. Yeah, you see, a low of 58, I bought at 60. Another example. More recent example. Shopify. Let's see. High 42.13. When did I bought? At 21, probably in this bar. At 50% discount from the absolute high. Looks very nice, huh? Look, I bought it at 21. Now it's 200. Cool. And let me think of an example where... okay. I know. Square. This is an example why you should also have the rule number 2. So we have an IPO. Then we have a high of 50.91. I'm looking to, or maybe, no, 50.91. I'm looking to buy, of course, at 7.95, around 8, yeah? But we don't see a low of $8. The lowest is 8.42, so I won't be getting at that price. So what happens according to my rule number 2? According to my rule number 2, 1 year later, that's in November 2016, here, I buy it anyway at opening price, which is 11.12, 11.20. Big difference? No, not at all. Also a very nice trade. See how amazing this is? Simple, effective, no stress, no worries. You just wait for the price to come to your level. And if it doesn't, you have the rule number 2 and you'll invest it anyway. But this is not all. You wanna hear the most amazing part of the pullback IPO trading plan? Let's check again Alibaba chart. So I bought it here, yeah? Okay. 2 years later, yeah, the price finally managed to come back to the previous highs, yeah? What do you think of all these buyers who bought here in the beginning? These people that bought here, yeah? Well, they are now at break even, at most. That's assuming, of course, they didn't panic through all this sell-off. They hold, and now they are at break even. Well, how about my profit? You got it right, man. I'm already at a 100% profit. Because that's the power of buying at 50% decline. The price only needs to go back to the previous highs and you're already at 100% profit. Now you believe me, my friend. You don't have to buy right now. You don't have to be afraid that you'll miss anything. Let's go back to LYFT. All you have to do is have a good plan and follow it. So, what's my plan for LYFT? Obviously, we have a high of 88.60. When will I buy LYFT? At 44. Yeah, of course, I'm assuming that LYFT won't recover from here and make a new high. If it makes a new high, I'll be adjusting my entry. That's it, simple. If somehow you're still not convinced, here is my challenge to you. You don't have to take for granted anything I say. Go back to your trading records, check any IPO stock you ever bought. Compare your entry prices with the entry prices generated by my pullback plan. And after that, come back to this video, leave a comment below and see how it goes.